What's up YouTube? Today we're gonna unboxing this fidget cube from online shop. Before we start, please subscribe my channel down below and thumbs up it for me. After you do that, let's get on to the video. Buy this fidget cube for only 100 pesos or $2. Let's open it. Wow. Moves. These two are silent, and then these three then this and the switch. Ball, a marble. This soft. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching.